Welcome to ReviewRounder Tech YouTube channel. To get regular updates of our videos, kindly subscribe and tap the bell.
Record video.
Start recording.
Take picture.
Photo was saved.
The 70 MAI is equipped with Sony IMX323 image sensor, which helps maintain high-definition image quality even on cloudy days or the dark of night. Meanwhile, the 130-degree wide-angle lens covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 70 MAI is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 70 MAI to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 70 MAI app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 70 MAI is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is uncommon 70 MAI Smart Dash Cam. Life is a beautiful journey. Enjoy every time on the road with the company of 70 MAI.